Okay, so at this point we should already have the Linux environment installed and is running and ready to go. And what we need right now is a good code editor. You can use any text editor or code editors out there. You can even use Notepad or Notepad++ to write the C codes. It's totally up to you. But today I would like to recommend using Eclipse IDE as your code editor. And IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So it's not just designed to let you write code. It also comes with several other tools and plugins to make your development effort easier and suits to your style, right? So what you need to do right now is go on to eclipse.org, downloads, packages, and you should see something like this as a download page. And you want to scroll down and find the one that is for the C/C++ developers. So that's the one I'm gonna download for. And as you know, Eclipse was originated for Java developers, but later they evolved into to support also the C developers as well. So I'm gonna go to the downloads for Windows by clicking that button and the downloads, right? It's free, but of course you can donate to the Eclipse community if you like their work, right? So I'm gonna let the download finish and we'll be back to set up our editor. Okay, so I've just finished downloading the Eclipse IDE, and it was actually a zip file, and as you can see right here. And I actually went ahead and extract the zip file and I get this folder. So I'm just gonna go open the folder and go to the Eclipse subfolder, and everything should be in here ready to go, and there's no need to run some sort of installation program to finish the installation. It's already pre-installed, and all you have to do is find the Eclipse application right here and just launch it. So when you launch, Eclipse will ask you where do you want to set as your working directory or as your workspace. So I'm gonna leave it as default and hit launch. Okay, it's gonna take some time to initialize, and here we go. That's the Eclipse application, and in this course we'll be building our software on the Eclipse platform, and we'll actually compile on the Linux environment using the command line approach. So you may have seen some other people doing the coding on Eclipse and doing the build also on Eclipse. That's okay, but in this course it's more about Linux, so I would actually prefer doing the actual compilation and everything else on the Linux environment. So we were just merely using Eclipse as a code editor purpose only. So stay tuned.